What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects. In my opinion, I think they have decent potential, but it's very hard to predict, especially in this market, because even hype projects are not selling out and some of the free mints projects also not doing very well, but I think these 3 projects have a decent chance. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I'm going to ask you if you can do me a favor, follow me on my Twitter. I would really appreciate. And one more thing, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing any money into NFT projects. So first project, it's called TheRetros. So this is a brand new project that I just found. I found it yesterday and it had only like 25 followers. Now it has 132. It's a free mint. Very cool art, reminds me like back from 90s Game Boy Color and other stuff. And as you can see, it's very easy to get a whitelist spot at this time before it's gonna get very hyped. Like for example, this post was posted a couple days ago, 50 retro list, so 50 whitelist spots, and they only had 77 likes, 64 retweets, and 59 comments. So I'm gonna say around 90% who actually commented on this tweet will get a whitelist spot. So this is one decent project with pretty cool art that I would keep an eye on. The second project, it's called the Cannibals. This is free mint for the chosen. This is new project. They already have a Discord. They have 53,000 followers, and if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent interactions on their posts, like this one right here, currently giving away 10 platinum VIP passes and 90 VIP passes to applicants. And then you can join a Discord, and then you can participate in other Twitter posts. And like for example, this one right here, pre-mint, you can try to apply and hopefully you can get yourself a free mint whitelist spot for this project. This could be a decent hold or maybe for a quick flip. And the last project, it's called Biddens. So Biddens free mint, they're gonna have 5,555 NFTs, and whitelist equals free mint coming soon. They already have a pre-mint, so if you open that up, you can register and hopefully get yourself a free mint whitelist spot. They have a Discord, and then at the moment they have 85,000 followers on their Twitter. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting a lot of interaction. I think actually this post is coming from pre-mint, so every person that's actually applying for pre-mint needs to like and retweet this tweet. That's why it has so many, but still it's getting quite a few interactions. And then another one, this one right here, another pre-mint link, also same thing, almost 5,000 likes, 5,000 retweets. And if we scroll down, we can see they're getting quite a bit of interaction, but it looks like most of them comes from pre-mint. And as you can see, this was posted on August 23rd and looks like they had 50,000 followers. Today is the 28th, and looks like they gained already like 35 more thousand followers in about 5 days. So this is another decently hyped project, getting a lot of attention and interaction on their Twitter posts. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.